Hi, I'm F. And today, I'm going to throw stuff at people. So, here I go.
Not so fast. F. How dare you throw stuff at people? That's IT. I'm calling your parents. Get out of here right now, now.
F. Sour Sweet just called me. She told me that you were throwing stuff at people. You're grounded until Yoshi on Tales 37 meets you in real life. Go to your room right now.